Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday makeup look, and this is it. So if you want to know how to do it, I think you should keep watching. I never really know how to start an intro. Bear with me, please. Okay, so I'm going to be trying some new products. Let me just cover my big ass ears. And kind of reviewing some of the new products that I have got recently, but want to talk about them and how I feel about them. So first I put on the, what moisturizer is it? Benefit moisturizer. I will put it up here on the screen. So let's talk about that moisturizer that I just showed you guys. I love that moisturizer. I just started using it probably like a few weeks ago, and it makes my skin so hydrated and so nice and refreshed. I love it, and I suggest you go buy it if you have dry ass skin like me. Okay, so first I'm going to be trying out this NYX Honey Primer. But it has some little like gold flakes in it. So it's kind of like the Farsali one, I guess. Smells weird. It's a really like, oh my god. It's just like a gel. It smells like aloe or something. Has gold flakes in it, which is cool. Feels a little sticky. Made my skin really red. I don't know if you guys saw that. Wow. I'll let you know, I'll keep you updated on how that feels, but look at my skin. You saw that. It turned really, really red. We'll see about this. I don't like the smell, but it goes away. It's not like I can't smell it when it's on my face, but when I put it on or in the bottle, it smells really bad. Next, I put on this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I just put a little bit on. It's kind of like my foundation. And usually I use a brush because it makes it a lot more natural looking, to me anyways. But I'm going to be using this Creations. And I got this for $4 at a beauty store. This blending sponge. Oh my god. Wow. This smells really weird. It smells like soap. Oh, it comes with a little thing of soap. Cute. Totally smells like soap. So I'm gonna use that. Usually I really like to use a brush, but I just wanted to test out this sponge. And the sponge is good. I like it. It's so soft. Very, very soft. I don't want to be super cakey, so I don't put a lot of concealer on. I just kind of even out my skin a little bit. Just a little, just the discoloration. I don't have a lot of pimples, so. Put some more under my eyes a little bit. And as you could probably already tell, I'm wearing false eyelashes on the ends of my eyes, and I put on mascara. So I'm really liking this sponge though. And the only reason that I put on the false eyelashes individually already is because this is my first time putting on individual eyelashes on the ends of my eyes. Never did that before, so I kind of wanted to practice already. But normally I'll get a used up pair of eyelashes or just any eyelashes, and I'll cut off the first like 3 little sections in the inner corner of the eyelashes, and I'll put them on the ends of my eyelash so that it blends out really nicely. And also for my eyebrows, I don't put anything on my eyebrows normally, but I do brush them out. Okay, now I'm going to be trying this butter bronzer. Yes, I've never used this before. It smells so good. It smells like sunscreen. First time trying it. Let's see. So I don't know if you can tell it in the camera, but it does give me a little warmness to my face. But it looks really good. But I like it. Doesn't feel cakey, it feels nice. I like it. This I've been using. This is the Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Prosecco Pop. I've been having this. I use this all the time. Just gonna put a little bit on. Also, about the mascara, I use this Big Shot mascara by Maybelline, and I actually have been liking it. It's not like, oh my god, wow, you need to go buy this right now, but I like it for sure. If you want to try it, you're not going to be disappointed for sure. Also, this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Mermaid Fantasy. This is actually, wow, I love it. It's so pigmented, so pretty, and there's a lot in there. That's gonna last me like a lifetime. I recommend for sure. Also, this brush by Mystique. It's really good for cutting the crease and carving out your brows and all that good stuff. It's really nice. And it's cheap. This is the GD15 Professional Lip Liner brush. Okay, and for lips, I put on this Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to put on this Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. And this isn't really a setting spray, but it makes my face feel fresh when I'm doing just an everyday look. So that is the final look. I look super natural. Sometimes I'll put my hair back in just like a ponytail like this. Fuck it, I just might do that right now. So a lot of the times I'll do that. I'll just put it back because I hate when my hair gets in my lip gloss. So as for the new products, the NYX primer, the sponge, butter bronzer, Artist Couture powder, brush that I mentioned earlier, and mascara, all totally approve. I really like them. As for the NYX primer, I'm gonna have to try this out. My face still feels kind of tacky, but I'll keep you updated for sure. It smells like shit, but other than that, it's alright. And that's it. That is my everyday look. I don't really actually look like this every day. Sometimes I look like a potato. Help me, I'm poor. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.